Ayan guys, so another mini harvest of my celery. So I'm giving it away for free to my co-worker here in the house. So yeah, so I harvested this. So this is good for liver and kidney detox, the celery, the one that I made last time. So it's good, so for free. Yeah, so this is a lot. It's like 1 kilo or maybe 2 kilos. So because I have a lot of celery in the garden, I harvest again today, Wednesday. So here is the celery I harvested, and also I harvested celery roots. That's the celery leaves and the stem. Look at this guys, so looks like ginseng, similar to dandelion roots. See, that's the middle of roots of celery. So I'm gonna have another ingredients for my bar soap soon. So after cutting, see guys, the middle of the celery roots, ang ganda niya oh. Kulay dilaw ang or kulay beige yung inside ng roots, at ito pa oh. Yan, malalaki. So this celery roots guys is more than 2 years. So when it's become 2 years, it's bigger. So this one, it's like only 1 year celery, 1 year old. So the small, I think the more powerful is the older celery root. So I soak this in a pink Himalayan salt because I don't have baking soda now. It's similar guys. If you don't have baking soda, you can soak in a sea salt or Himalayan salt. I soak this for like 2 hours to cleanse the roots. So this is very clean guys now. Yes, it's darker because it's under the soil. And the good things of celery roots, it's rich in natural minerals. So we're gonna have natural minerals from our organic garden. And based on research guys, I just did research. Based on their research, I read it that celery roots, it's more powerful than celery stalks and leaves. So that's why I'm gonna use this for my soup making, and also some for my herbal tea. So after 2 days guys, this is what happened to my celery roots. I harvest this January 27th. So it was a lot. Look at that guys, it's now a little bit after it's dried. And then today it's January 29th. I harvest some roots and then I harvest also some leaves. I still have a lot of celery leaves in my fridge. Then I have more roots here. Here you go guys, the fresh roots today, January 29th. So when it's dried, it becomes so little. So it's hard to wash, so many, buha-buhangin like sands on it, because the mixture of soil, they, when my boss bought the soil, so they add the sands on it. So I have to soak this, wash first properly, and then soak in a salt or baking soda. Then I have to cut again and dried also again, same as the procedure 2 days ago, sun-dried. So this is gonna be my another additional ingredients of my botanical herbal soap that I'm making. So it's gonna be more powerful. Based on research, celery roots is like 10 times better than celery stalks and leaves. So because this roots is like more than 2 years already guys. When it's become big like this, see, it's like ginseng roots. It's like dandelion roots, guys. So this gonna be very good combination for comfrey roots, dandelion roots that I always process, and etc. So many ingredients, guys, on my botanical herbal soap. So see, it's big after 2 years. So I started planting this 2 years ago when we bought celery stalks in the store, and of course they don't have roots. I just put on the soil and it grows out until 2 years like this, see? And I harvested so many leaves and I gave it away to some of my friends and they were happy. They got the free and organic celery from my garden. So this one, it's very big celery roots, guys. Look at that. It's only one roots, but it's huge. See? So many galamay or so many small roots from the big roots. So this celery is come from the celery stalks that there's no roots, guys. You're gonna think that, oh, from the seeds. No, these roots is come from the stalks that no roots. After we consume the stalks, you know, yung ganito niya, naiwan. So, I planted already. I put on the soil. And then, it's grow and become like this after 3 years. So, this one is 3 years old already, these roots. Or maybe more. See, guys? So, see? Because every time we bought something for the kitchen for our boss. And we get the leaves. And I always put on the soil the rest. And it's grow. So this one is from the seeds. See guys the difference? So this one is 1 year old but from the seeds. I think maybe 10 months only. But this one from the stalks that we bought in the store. Putol ba? Cut. No roots from the store. And we consume the stalks and the leaves. And I planted this. It's become like this. That's why after 3 years, huge roots come out from the stalks. You see, this is the area where the roots came from. That's the area, the stalks we get from the store, no roots. And then I planted the stalks without roots. And see, the roots come out and it's become long and big after 3 years. So guys, this is the color of after 2 days air dry. So it's really dry after 2 days, guys, because I cut it thinner or smaller cut. See, maninipis na cut. And this is the new one that I just harvested hours ago. So see, it's still fresh. So we're gonna let it dry for 2 to 3 days. Medyo makakapal to ng konti kumpara dito. Ito siya. So you see guys, the first day of this, it's like a lot, but after drying, it's become so little. And then when I make this a powder, it's might gonna be only 1/4 cup or half cup the powder of this. And this one is more. So hopefully I get more celery roots from this, so I can have more herbal botanical soap with celery. Here you go guys. After blender, I dried the celery roots. After drying it, I used the blender to blender it to make it powder. Now this is the powder of celery roots. So after drying and blender it, use the strainer, do the strainer, shake it baby, until you get the fine ground celery roots powder. So this is it. See, a lot of processing guys after like 5 days drying, air dry. Then now it's become celery roots powder. Here you go guys. We got 15.5 tablespoon of celery roots. You see guys, it's only a little when it's become dried and become powder. The celery roots that we have like tons of them. So that's how it's end up for the long process to become a soap making ingredients.